Wondering how much money users are making from Hamster Combat? Well, let's break it down. Hamster Combat is part of the booming crypto gaming world, and players are earning real money with the game's in-game currency, HMSTR tokens. Right now, some users are raking in hundreds of dollars in HMSTR tokens through battles, rewards, and even airdrops. With the latest airdrop reaching 131 million users, everyone's got a chance to earn. And with HMSTR tokens now listed on Binance and KuCoin, the earnings don't stop there. Players can trade these tokens for real-world money. So how much are people cashing out? Depending on their rank and token value, some top players are seeing $100 to $500 a week, and that's just the beginning. Whether you're in it for the fun or the funds, Hamster Combat is proving that cute battles can lead to serious gains. So, are you ready to start earning? Download now and join the battle for rewards. Stay tuned for more updates and gaming tips.